So we are moving fields again because after that rain we couldn't cut there. So we're trying to see if we can find a field that we can cut now, which Mr. Chris and Peter did drive around this morning, and Peter is taking us to the field now. So we'll jump in and see if we can cut it. Yeah. Eric is behind us with the pickup. Well, he's far behind, but yeah, he's there. And yeah, I mean, it's not the sunniest day. There is a lot of clouds, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see what the moisture says and see how the ground feels, and we'll decide from there. So yeah. Okay, so Jock and Eric are gonna take a sample in for us because I did do a little bit there. Did cut a little sample, and you see it says the moisture is pretty high. Like, look at all this blue. We don't want blue because blue is 20% and the lighter blue is 16% and this one is 15. So there's 20 there, 16. Yeah, it's not looking too great. This is 13. So up until here it's 13. So we'll see what the sample says, but for now we're gonna wait. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be good though, unless this thing is suddenly very inaccurate. But yeah, it was pretty accurate, so I don't know. The wheat is not looking good, right? Not at all. Right, so all of a sudden it just got dark. I don't know, it's like a dust storm or something. We just want to get dumped out. We don't know if there's rain coming. I think it might be raining over there, so rather dump out and maybe wait a few minutes and see what it does. But yeah, it was all of a sudden it just started getting dark. Looks better that way. Alright, let me dump out. It's pretty dark. I think we want to go. Right. It's not raining, but I think it's about to rain. So we're gonna head on. Just chill in the car. Now, because the wind is hectic. And the dust is hectic.
So with the wind blowing like crazy and the clouds coming in, we knew we were gonna rain out for a few days, damn. And when we rain out we have some fun, of course. Mr. Chris took us to see who can throw an axe. I also found some spiders and decided to become an insect photographer. Comment below if you know what type of spiders these are and if they can kill me. After that we played some catch and decided to make a small bet on who has the best throw.
Alright. Eric made a bet for us. $50 for the one who gets the ball into this can. Look where he's at. Looks like he's deciding to get down. Let's see what he does. Oh, missed it.
Because neither of us won the bet, we tried a different way to make some cash. Just joking, we didn't play for money. Oh, and this is Sarge. He ages backwards, by the way. He is also quite talented when it comes to cutting hair, so give him a call if you need a new barber.
Looking sexy, Fluffy.
Well, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned to see what we do tomorrow. I'll give you a hint. We go to Six Flags.